Let's see if we can change a gas tank in a Ford Edge in less than 60 seconds. This is a 2010. Check out that Goose Grip light right there. It's super bright. All right, we come up here. We got our filler neck off, 6mm there. I'm gonna use a pick to force that in so this pulls right out. 413 mils in the drive shaft, put it in neutral. Beat it off. We got separation. Exhaust clamp right here. Cut it off. You'll be replacing that with the new exhaust clamp. Drop the exhaust hangers. Pull them out of there. We got 10mm bolts up there and there. 13mm, I believe 4 of them around the tank. Get those dropped. It'll support itself in the rear on the rear differential. We got a support stand in the front. Now we can drop it down and we can reach everything. Squeeze this clip together to take your fuel line off and pull. Then we got the wiring to take off, just clips in the back. We got this little loom right here. Let's get everything disconnected now that we have room to work. With everything disconnected, it just dropped straight down. Had a helper. There's a tank right there. We're gonna blow this tank off. This lock ring right here, they make a special tool, but in here you can just put a screwdriver and a hammer and punch and it twists open. And then you pull your fuel pump module out, put your new one in, lock it back in. Then we'll set the tank back on the differential, put the stand under it, hook everything back up, put the bolts in, reverse order, guys.